Somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me?
Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I have an updated foundation routine. I haven't done one since last summer 2017. So I figured with the season of fall, literally tomorrow, I need to do an updated foundation routine. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's move forward with the video. Bye guys. Video real quick and go live with y'all because on my last video I did get some comments talking about how I looked kind of ghostly, and while I did think that it was mainly because of the way I edited the video, because I did try to do something different. I'm trying to up how my video looks. Excuse me. So I think because of that it made me look kind of bad, but there were two girls on there and they were saying no, like I think it's the setting powder. So I think because of the ring, y'all don't realize how dark I am, but I'm pretty chocolate, and it is really hard for me to find setting powders that work well with my skin. And even if I go to setting powders that are, I have one around here but I don't know what it is, more like deeper, like instead of using a translucent or white or yellow, even those look really weird on me. So I tried to stick with doing something that's translucent with, like, you know, maybe pinkish undertones or something. So I've been using the Airspun powder, and I've been using that in a good amount of my past videos, and I never heard anything until this last video, and that just happened to be where I was editing my video differently. So I'm going to use the Airspun again, and if y'all feel like I still look ghostly, I'm not going to do that editing technique that I try to do. I'm going to do it how I normally do it, but if y'all feel like I still look ghostly, please let me know down in the comments. And also, if y'all know of a translucent powder that is good for darker, deeper skins, let me know, because I do want to find one. And if I'm out here looking crazy, let me know. Like, I do appreciate those girls for letting me know, because I was just like, do I look crazy? Am I going crazy? Do I look ghostly? So like I said, I'm going to be using the Airspun loose powder. I watched reviews on it, and a lot of deeper girls like this powder, and it looks good on them. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to the music, but please, you know, use that comment section and let me know how y'all feel about me using this setting powder to bake. that's a wrap. I'm so lame.